this is our jacket glass reactor. You can see there are 4 parts of the whole system. The first is the high and low temperature circulator. This one is the main body of a reactor. It's double layer. And this is the chiller. The next one is vacuum pump. This machine has many functions. It can do mixing, extraction, and CBD decarboxylation. And today I will introduce how to do CBD decarboxylation by this machine. Firstly, we need to feed the CBD crude oil into this reactor. We can through this feeding funnel or this port to feed the CBD crude oil. And then we start the high and low temperature circulator for heating. It will heat the conduction oil and let the conduction oil be circulating between the outer layer of the reactor and the circulator. You can see there is a stir inside of the reactor. At the same time with heating, we need to start the stir to mix the crude oil. And this one is the control panel. We can adjust this switch to control the speed of stir. And this is the thermometer. It's connecting with the control panel, so the temperature will be shown here. If the temperature is too high or too low, we can adjust the setting temperature on the circulator. Come here. Behind the control panel, this is condenser. It's connected with chiller. These 2 parts are used for terpene recovery. And the vacuum pump is to provide the vacuum condition for the reactor. The material of the reactor is high borosilicate glass. And see here. The electrical attachment is Schneider.